How to register at WorldRemit and create a WorldRemit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can basically create a WorldRemit account, which is a payment account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to create a WorldRemit account, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the WorldRemit app and make sure that you've downloaded the app from your respective Play Store or App Store. Now once you've done that, make sure to enable the notifications for the WorldRemit app. Now it's asking us to get started. If you have an account, you can tap on login, but we don't have an account, so we're going to tap the get started button here. Then all it's going to do is simply going to ask us to simply select our country over here. So let's make sure to enter the country. Once we enter our country, all we have to do is simply make sure to also enter our email address that you want to use, and then we can simply choose to enter our password. So let me go ahead and do that. Now once I've basically entered the password I want to use, if you want to unsubscribe to the newsletter, you can do that and then just tap the sign up button. It's going to take a while to finish creating your account, but once it's done, your WorldRemit account will be successfully created. Now it's going to ask me to create a pin code. You really don't want to share this pin code to anyone. I'm only using this because I'm not really going to be using the account. So let me go ahead and then make sure to enter the pin code that I want to use. If you want to enable the fingerprint or the face authentication, you can do that as well. Now once you've done that, it's going to ask you to simply enter a phone number that you would like to use. So all you have to do is make sure to also enter the phone number. Once you enter the phone number, all you have to do is just tap the submit button from the bottom of the screen. Then it is going to actually send a code to that specific phone number. So you might just want to go ahead and then verify the code. Then once you verified the code over here, your WorldRemit account will be successfully created. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then create your WorldRemit account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.